In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendesk subscription. If you've decided that it's time to move on from Zendesk, or perhaps you're looking to explore other options, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. First, let's start by heading over to your Zendesk Admin Center. This is your control hub, where you manage all your account settings and configurations. So, open up your preferred web browser and log into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This sidebar contains various options that help you manage different aspects of your account. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Account option in that left sidebar. The Account section is where you can find all the details related to your current plan, billing information, and of course, the subscription settings. Clicking on Account will take you to a new menu that provides various options for managing your account preferences. Now that you're in the Account section, look for the Subscription option. This is usually located under the Billing category, but it can vary slightly depending on the version of Zendesk you're using. Clicking on Subscription will bring up your subscription details. Here, you should see all the pertinent information about your current plan, such as the type of subscription you have, the billing cycle, and any other relevant details. This section is crucial because it ensures you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision about canceling. Take a moment to review your subscription details to confirm that this is the right action for you. Once you've thoroughly reviewed your subscription details, you'll be ready to proceed with the cancellation process. From here, you might see an option to cancel your subscription directly on this page. If not, there should be a link or button guiding you on how to proceed with the cancellation. Follow the prompts provided by Zendesk to complete the cancellation process. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check if there are any cancellation policies or fees associated with ending your subscription early. Once you've successfully canceled your subscription, you should receive a confirmation email from Zendesk. This email serves as proof that your cancellation request has been processed. Be sure to keep this email for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to cancel your Zendesk subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Zendesk's customer support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in assisting you with your subscription management needs.